Very good morning, dear children. Welcome to the mathematics class. As you all know, we have been completing handling data from last week, and it's a new week. Though we had completed 2 questions of handling data here, okay, we are going to go ahead and do some more bit of chapter checkup of handling data and then do the worksheet for the day. Quickly write the date. It is 16.3.21. okay. Find out how many of each kind, like the way we did dogs. Page number 158. Okay, please do this. Find out how many of each kind. Butterflies orange are 3 numbers. This type blue ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blue ones. Pink ones 1, 2, 2. Purple 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Green 1, 2, 3. 3 green. Right? This is also a management of data. Now tell your teacher, butterflies of which color are the most? Which are the most? They are the blue ones. Butterflies of which color are the least? Less are the pink ones. Butterflies of which 2 colors are same in number? Same in number are orange ones and green ones. They are both 3. Okay. Count how many of each. How many water bottles or like cold drinks? 2. Plates 1, 2, 3, 4. Only the kind of plate that is mentioned, okay, 4, because the pink one and green one is not mentioned. Spoon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 spoon. Glass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 glasses. Sandwiches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And cake is only 1 yummy cake. Okay. Now find the path to the pond and count the shapes along the way. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to find a path to the pond and just count the shapes. So let me start. From here in it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So there are 24 shapes. Okay. Page number, let's do this. How many triangles are there? Count the shapes along the way. So triangles we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangles. Square on the same way. 1, 2, 3, 3 square. Circles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 circles. Rectangles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rectangles. Like this we have completed our data handling. Let's go to the worksheet for the day, which is mental ability worksheet. Write your section quickly, your name and your roll number, which you all know well. Okay. Now tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. How many paisa makes a rupee? How many paisa makes a rupee? It is 100 paisa. 1 paisa together makes 100 rupee. 1 rupee. Okay. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is same as, you can just do multiplication now that you know the table of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When such a big addition happens, we do this 5 into 6. So this is same as 6 times 5. Correct. What is the time shown in the clock? A, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Which has more value? 150 paisa coin or 150 rupees note? 50 rupees note. Okay, it's given the option 50 paisa, 50 rupees, both or none of these. Remember, the options will be there, so you need to do this properly, beta, not to make any mistakes here. Okay, 1. Yes. What is the time 1 hour before 11 o'clock? So before 11 o'clock, what number comes? So for this time, if you have to see the number. What comes before number 11? 10. 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Answer will be 10 o'clock. When you add the same number over and over again, it is called repeated addition, repeated subtraction, repeated multiplication, none of these. It is called repeated addition because the word they have used is add. Another name for long hand of a clock is, name of long hand of the clock is it called hour hand, minute hand, second hand? None of these. The long hand is the minute hand and the hour hand is the short hand. Count and write. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As far as the numbers are less, you can always cut and count. How many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 squares. Which two shapes are same in number? Which two shapes are same in number? This is triangles. And mental ability test is coming up on squares. Which shape is less in number? This is circles. This is how you need to complete your mental ability worksheet. Important for you to understand, the mental ability worksheets are mostly given in, in mixed bag kind of portion. So any kind of things are given, but it is given mixed bag. That is, it can be asked from anywhere. So we just need to be prepared. If our concepts are clear, dear children, this will never be a problem. I want us to do a revision of table of 4. So let us start. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Same drill. Everywhere the numbers are increasing by 5. You all need to practice this really well and not make any mistakes. I know you are all doing a good job at home. I've been seeing your paper and I'm happy with your performance. Continue doing that and read as much as is possible. I'll see you back in the next class. Till then, stay safe. Bye-bye.